You're watching Dancehall and News TV on YouTube. Please remember to subscribe and turn all your notification bell so you will be notified of new uploads. And now the news. Controversial dancehall artiste L.A. Lewis said he is not intimidated or bothered by Sizzla's fury towards him for admitting he enjoys eating the forbidden fruit. Yesterday, a jubilant Lewis told the star that more than 95% of the dancehall reggae industry is facing up to their sexual partner but refused to be open about the act. He further stated that Sizzla is using his name to gain a hype simply because he is the most relevant and prominent artiste in the industry. Sizzla need to understand that is modern time now, and me read my Bible about 15 times already, and know where it na say thou shall not make love to thy woman. When Sizzla a burn L.A. Lewis, him fi go burn the tings dem whe a guan ina de country like de road dem whe a fix and other things. Him need to taste it if him no start or admit say him do it, he said. Sizzla lashed out at the newly branded 8-star general, L.A. Lewis, who was captured on video giving a female oral sex. L.A. Lewis, anyway me see you again, me a go kick you under you throat, Sizzla said during his performance at G.T. Taylor Christmas Extravaganza in St. Elizabeth on Monday. A photograph and video of Lewis pleasing a female recently appeared on social media. Lewis told the star the woman was his girlfriend. Naturally, my wife did vex because she believe she alone a get it. I'm the hottest ting right now. I'm the sting for December. Sizzla is a dinosaur and L.A. Lewis is modern. Miguel, Sizzla's given name is Miguel Collins, just go hold a space in Jurassic Park, he said. Lewis challenged his rivals to start the lyrical warfare. Just put me name in a song and make me get mad. Sizzla, cool yourself and go write some lyrics in your old age. He is analog and I am digital, he said. Similar sentiments were echoed by fellow entertainer and social media blogger Dr. Love, who told the star that he is imploring Jamaicans to move with the times as it relates to pleasing their partners sexually. He added that he has given L.A. Lewis his blessing. Me know him did a dweet long time. Amy a do one who tell him to try it cause it taste good. Ah it make me reach a farin. Cause do woman who me first dweet to say she nago left me a Jamaica, Dr. Love said. And that is your latest dancehall news. Remember to subscribe, like and share the video. So on to the next video. Keep your mouth clean. I'm out.